How's it going, everybody? I hope you're all doing okay. Right then, on this video I'm going to be doing southern fried chicken. Yes indeed, I do enjoy southern fried chicken and this is my take on it. So let's get into it, shall we? What will you need? So salt, ginger, celery salt, onion granules, garlic granules. Now some recipes call for garlic salt. I'm just using garlic granules. I think there's enough salt in it already. Paprika, ground black pepper, thyme, some mixed herb, basil, marjoram, oregano. Now these two, they're kind of, one can substitute for the other. So if you haven't got oregano, you can use marjoram and vice versa. However, I use the two. Some mustard powder, 2 eggs, flour, and of course your chicken. Now I'm using chicken thighs for this recipe. However, you could use chicken wings. It's totally up to you. No problem. Or drumsticks. Not a problem. It won't affect the mixture or the flavour at all. So the first thing that I am going to do, move that down. I'm going to boil the chicken. Boil the chicken? Yes, I'm going to boil the chicken because I want to remove some of that excess fat out the skin. I just find it gives it a nice texture when it's all comes together and it's the finished products on the plate. So I'm going to put that in cold water, click on the flame elevator and just bring it to a boil. Once it's at a boil, then I'll switch it off and I'll leave it, and then we'll come down to the mixture itself. So let's do that. Okay, so next on the agenda, the chicken coating. This is where the magic happens. So in that bowl, now you know what I'm like with my measuring. I like to keep it basic, and everyone's got a pint glass in their cupboard. You know it's true. So in there's 2 pints of flour. How easy is that? So 2 pints of flour. Next we're going to add the salt. So I'm working on teaspoons here, ladies and gents. Keep it easy. So to that I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of salt, about 1 teaspoon of ginger, celery salt, about 1 teaspoon of that, onion granules, about 1.5 teaspoons. Now garlic granules, as I said before, some people use garlic salt, but I think there's enough salt in it already, so I'm just going to use garlic granules. So there's about 1.5 teaspoons in there. Paprika. About 1.5 teaspoons. Pepper. Two teaspoons of pepper. Now thyme. Thyme's an important one. Thyme waits for no one. Hey. So about 3 teaspoons of thyme. Now my addition is mixed herbs. So you want about 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Basil, about 1 teaspoon. Sorry about the noise in the background, ladies and gentlemen, that's the washing machine. See? Normal kitchen doing normal things. Marjoram, teaspoon, oregano, teaspoon, and Coleman's powdered mustard. So we need, if I can get the lid off, because it is a new tin, so bear with me, ladies and gentlemen. It's good, isn't it, when everything just comes together? It's funny. There we go, job done. Got a bit on me, but never mind, doesn't matter. Now I'm going to put in 1 heaped teaspoon of mustard. Pop that back on, pop it over there. Okay, now we're just going to mix it all together. And that is the coating for your chicken. As easy as that. And trust me, it is so good. Really, really tasty. Okay, on to the next stage. Okay, so here's the chicken, and as you can see, it's boiling, and all that there, ladies and gentlemen, is the excess fat that I don't want. So I'm just going to turn that flame elevator down, and I'm going to skim that off. Look at that. You don't want it. Well, I don't use it and I don't want it. So I'm just going to skim that off. Then I'm going to remove the chicken from the pan and just let it cool down whilst we do other things. So there you go. On to the next. Now, onto your dip, your wash, your pre-seasoning coating. Now I know people use buttermilk with an egg. I've even seen buttermilk with some honey in there. However, this is how I do it, and it is extremely easy, extremely tasty, and it all comes together perfectly in the end. So I've got 3 eggs. Let's pop 3 eggs into there, as you do. Lovely, 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 lovely. To that I am going to add 2 teaspoons, level teaspoons of sugar, like so. Pop that over there. Oh, I've got my chicken resting next to me there after its hot bath, so it'll be ready to put everything together. Okay, next, a little drop of milk. Not a great deal. I'm guessing probably a tablespoon. And Worcester sauce. What? Yes, Worcester sauce. Trust me, you've got to trust me on this, ladies and gentlemen. You really have. And about 2 teaspoons of Worcester sauce. Okay, get your whisk and bring it all together. Talk amongst yourselves. And there we have it. Like so. Pop that over there. And that is your dip. Chicken, dip, seasoning, fryer. And that's what we're going to do next. So we'll start coating the chicken and then we'll pop it into the fryer. And we'll get to that stage. And here we are. We're getting there, ladies and gentlemen. We are getting there. Okay, so we have our chicken. We have our dip or our coating. Totally up to you. And the seasoning. So let's get to it. I've got the frying pan on, deep frying. So we'll just go ahead, do these, then we'll skip over to the pan. So get a bit of chicken, give that a coating. That's nice and sticky because of the sugar, and of course with the egg as well. Now into the seasoning. I'm just coating that and pushing it down. Let's bring it over so you can see better. There we go. And that can go straight into the pan. Let's give it a little shake, get rid of the excess. Nice coating. And into the pan. Let's do another one. You've really got to try this recipe, ladies and gentlemen. The goodies is really, really good. Thoroughly tasty. Cool. There we go. So I don't want too many pieces of chicken in the frying pan all at once, because I want them to kind of move about and do their own thing. Like so. Okay, we'll just do the 3. And now we'll go over to the frying pan. And I'll catch you over there. Welcome to the frying pan. You can see the oil's nice and hot, not smoking hot. So I've got it medium high. And that's all the moisture coming out of the chicken. That's when you know your chicken's getting cooked. So I'm going to keep these in here till they go golden brown. A nice deep colour, and then that's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. These will probably take about 7 minutes to get a nice colour. Already smelling absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I'll carry on with the rest of the chicken and we'll take it from there. And here we are. Check that out, ladies and gentlemen. Perfect fried chicken. Nice and crispy. That's good. That's very, very good. Do try this recipe, ladies and gentlemen. You will not regret it in any way, shape or form. And there you go. So, if you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Even better, click that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. And I will catch you on the next video. Catch you later, folks.